So today we're gonna be catching giant sheep's head on Walmart gear.
This is a big one. Looks like a big one. Gap him. Holy smokes, yeah! Success. It's the BIXPY jet. This one feels like it gives off way more power than my previous one. Yeah. Morning guys, Justin, me and Josh are out here gonna see if we can find some sheep's head, maybe a little calico, and just enjoy a beautiful day on the water. How was that?
Good, keep going.
Yeah,
Act natural, I'm gonna get you speeding away.
All right.
Alright, so we're out here in La Jolla. We are fishing different spots in the kelp. Today I'm fishing with a Walmart special. So if you are a cheapskate like myself and you still want to go out and catch fish on a budget, like $35, pick yourself up a little spinner. And then I have a little 2-ounce weight that I cut in half, so now it's 1 ounce. I have a little dropper loop I just hooked up, so I'm retying with a new hook. This is 15-pound test, back with the 15-pound test spider wire braid. And yeah, we're just dropping straight down. You wait for a few nibbles, set the hook, and whine like crazy because you're stuck in kelp. But you're all good. You haven't wronged me yet.
Thank God. I will make sure not to.
So for bait, we're using these small shrimps that you can get at Walmart. They were frozen, now they're all thawed out. If you've ever been fishing for bluegill, it's kind of like the same thing. You're gonna take your shrimp, you're gonna cut it in half like it's a worm, and then you can either try to finagle the shrimp up the hook so it hides the hook. I like to take it as such. I'll hook it in once, and I'll pull it down, spin it around like this. So it's kind of like a little tube bait with the hook sticking out. And then after that, you drop straight down where you are.
were out fishing. They just had the copper. Yes, John, you good?
Yeah, I get locked, right?
Oh, it's a stupid wrasse.
Is it?
Yeah. You're funny. What'd you get? Nice. Pull him up. Dude, look at this stinking, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna release, no. look at this little janky thing. So we got our fish grips and then it's carabiner to the back of his kayak so we can stay on the spot. Awesome. No, it's kind of connected to me. Woo!
Yeah, get some footage. Second big one of the day.
Just landed this absolute monster.
Woo!
Giant. Has your name written all over it.
Yeah.
Gosh, that looked like a nice one you got, man.
Yeah, that's that one right
It's this
there.
one.
Oh, that one? I was like, damn, boys, I turned around for like 3 seconds. You guys were just hammering them. Oh, yeah. He's on.
Yep.
Good one.
Ba-bam.
Dude, thank you guys for letting me fish with you today, man. It's been one of the better days I've had out here.
See, if you didn't say anything to me, I don't know where you'd be right now.
I can tell you.
You made 2 new friends and you caught some
And
fish.
I caught some fish. I'd be over there, no friends, no fish. Yeah, you!
Yeah!
That looks good. Dude, that one looks nice.
Is it a good one?
No. The wrong female.
Dude, it looked like it had you bent over. Cool guys fishing, so
Yeah.
you get a lot of respect that way.
Oh yeah. You got one?
Yep. But they just don't. Yeah.
It's like,
You're like, hey, what do you like to do? And they're like, no.
yeah. Dang. That looks like the same one you just released.
I was gonna say, I think I'm just feeding this guy.
That one's nice though. It looks
Yeah.
way bigger. I'm getting bit. Oh my goodness!
Is that it?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Hey buddy.
Yeah.
Come join us.
This is fun.
Yeah, you stay over there, Matt. Of course.
If it was the other way, it would not be the case.
Ba-bam. Yes, sir.
Back on.
Oh, do you have to retie on the braid? Do you want me to tie it or you got it? Okay. I'm not saying you can't do it. I'm just saying.
I mean, if you want
If
to,
you-
yeah, you can go ahead.
All right. Perfect. I'll do that.
You want to? Yeah. on him for some footage of myself. Love it. That's gonna be a big boy right there.
Yeah.
What's the limit on those?
I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
Dude, that's a big one.
Oh.
It's on big. So sorry.
There we go.
Big one? Like a big one. Land him. You got it.
Deeper for sure.
Yap him. Holy smokes! Yeah!
There's the one. Oh, sheesh.
That's like,
Look at that big dog.
that's the one.
Look at that dog. Yeah, Josh, you get one of the other ones.
Fucking dome.
Dude, that's awesome.
On the baby hook too?
Yeah, dude, it was barely hooked. Barely.
Alright, put a line in quick.
We'll see. Hey, my guy. Fucking.
Oh! Right!
Yes!
No!
Alright, come over to this line.
Oh! Dang, I'm so bummed. That time was like thump, thump, and pop.
Yeah. Dude, you got that on footage too.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah!
Woo!
Nice.
Little brother to yours.
Nailed. There we go.
It's on.
Well, bam.
Before it dries up and
That's so gross.
I'm on again. You should know, man.
There we go.
Yeah.
that's what I was looking for though.
Nice.
Oh, Josh got
Oh,
it.
yes, sir.
Ah! Sheepy!
What do we got?
Nice.
Spot's like drop and go.
Yeah, dude, this spot is. Oh, it's a calico!
Golly! Oh, look at that.
You got a wrasse. Oh, that's sick.